video lecture we see the basics block diagram of communication system. After that we see the modulation of communication system and losses in communication system. Now we see the baseband versus modulated signal. Baseband signal is the modulating signal original information where the signal either in a digital or in analog form in communication system. Example are voice signal which is in 300 Hz or 3400 Hz. Transmission of original information whether analog or digital directly into the transmission medium is called the baseband transmission. The modulated signal is baseband signal which its original frequency is shifted to higher frequency to facilitate transmission purposes. In baseband transmission, the need of baseband transmission is the concepts and parameter of baseband transmission are used in modulated transmission. Performance of baseband transmission is used as the standard for comparing modulation technique. Baseband signal is not suitable for long distance communication because hardware limitation interference with other waves. Modulation is the process of changing baseband signals to facilitate the transmission medium. Process of modulation is frequency translation such as AM, FM, PM, etc. Sampling and coding such as PAM, PCM, etc. Keying such as ASK, FSK, etc. The modulation types of modulation we see. After that we see the electromagnetic frequency spectrum. In electromagnetic frequency spectrum, the is divided into subsections or bands, with each band having a different name and boundary. The International Telecommunication Union is an international energy in control of allocating frequencies and services within the overall frequency spectrum. After that, the speed of electromagnetic waves in the United States, the Federal Communication Commission FCC frequency and assign services for free space radio propagation. Speed of electromagnetic wave is equal to speed of light. C is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8. F is equal to frequency wavelength and C is equal to F lambda. The electromagnetic spectrum is as shown in figure. The wavelength in meters, size of a wavelength, common name of wave sources, the frequency wave per second, energy of one photon. The energy of one photon, the frequency allocation if the transmission channel is the atmosphere. Interference and propagation are strongly dependent on the transmission frequency. On international basis, frequency assignment and technical standards are set by the ITU. There are three main sectors that provides frequency assignment and is concerned with the efficient use of radio frequency. ITU, ITU-R, ITU-T and ITU-D. The frequency band is as shown in figure. This is the International Telecommunication Union band designation. In this video we see the basic block diagram of communication system. After that, modulation process, losses in modulation, and also we see the different frequency bands, allocation, electromagnetic spectrum we see here. The frequency band 1 to 2 gigahertz, later designation is L, 4 gigahertz S, 4 to 8 gigahertz C. So Federal Communication Commission emission classification is F frequency band is as shown in above video. The next video we see in next video lecture. Thank you.